Hi, I'm David with CabinetParts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Compact 38 or 39 series face frame hinge by Blum. The Compact 38 and 39 series hinges are an all-steel designed 6-way adjustable hinge with overlays up to 1 inch and 9/16 of an inch and has a 110-degree opening. Integrated soft closing or Blue Motion versions of the Compact 38 and 39 series are available. Now, here are a list of tools that you'll need for this project. An electric drill or cordless screw gun with a number 2 Phillips bit, a number 2 posi screwdriver for fine-tuned door adjustments, a Vicks bit or a self-centering pilot bit, and finally, a straight edge. Start by having your doors bored with a 35mm hole approximately 3mm from the edge of the door. Now place your hinges in the door so the arms pivot over the edge of the door. Use your straight edge to properly align the hinges. Use your Vicks bit and pre-drill your screw holes. And now you can use your number 6 by 5/8 inch screws to attach the hinges to the door. Now we can attach the doors to the cabinet. Hold the door up to the cabinet in the correct location. Use your Vicks bit to pre-drill your screw hole locations. Now you can use the correct number 10 by 5/8 pan head screws to attach the mounting plates to the cabinet frame. Once the doors have been attached, the doors will need to be properly aligned. Use your number 2 posi screwdriver and start with the first adjustment screw closest to the front of the hinge. This will adjust your horizontal or left or right adjustment. The center adjustment screw will adjust the door vertically or up or down. Simply loosen the mounting screw slightly, adjust the door height, and then tighten the screws. Yeah, that's good. And finally, the adjustment screw at the back of the hinge will adjust the door in or out. Now, if you're using the integrated Blue Motion versions, there will be one more adjustment inside the cup of the hinge. There is a small gray switch which will help with the strength of your soft closing. Simply flip the switch to increase or decrease the soft closing speed. And that's how you install the Blum Compact 38 or 39 series face frame hinges. Now, to get more information on any of the Blum cabinet hinges, including the new Blue Motion integrated soft closing hinges, visit us online at www.CabinetParts.com.